Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare raw turmeric ginger pickle. Raw turmeric and ginger pickle. Raw turmeric and ginger, the quantity as shown. 2 lemon, 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, 2 teaspoon of mustard powder, garlic cloves around 30 numbers, 4 chilli, gingelly oil and salt to taste. So we're going to cut from the root. This is ginger, raw ginger. It is very tender. So I have to remove the turmeric as well. So we have to clean this one thoroughly. This is the fresh turmeric. Only we have to take these pieces for the pickle. And we're going to wash this one. We washed thoroughly. We have to peel the skin. See, I can feel the aroma of raw turmeric. It's very good for health. See, we peeled the skin and thoroughly washed the fresh ginger and turmeric pieces. So we're going to cut this one. So I have to cut into small pieces. Whatever size you want or whatever shape you want, you can cut as per that one. You can cut as Julian pieces or round pieces. That is as per our wish. So we cut the fresh turmeric and fresh ginger into pieces. It's nice aroma I can feel. Keep the pan in flame and add gingelly oil. So today is Pongal. We got the fresh turmeric and fresh ginger. So we thought of making a pickle recipe using this one. So this turmeric is using as a medicine for cancer also. It's very good. Actually it contains which can cure the cancer. First we have to add Asafoetida powder, then the green chilli, then we're going to add the turmeric. See, the color itself very attractive. So for this quantity we have added little gingelly oil. As per the quantity you can use the oil. It's very tender, both are very tender, the turmeric and the ginger. Garlic cloves, salt to taste, so we can switch off the flame. So we're going to add the mustard powder. We're going to squeeze the lemon. So you have to leave this one for 2 days. After that one you can use it. So it should be in the lemon juice for 2 days, so it will absorb everything, then it will be of good taste. Raw lemon ginger pickle from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.